or a rat bag. That's what it sounded like he said. Huh? Oh, I thought he said rat bag or something bag. He must be tired. I hate sitting down like this. Oh, look at the little bathtub down there.
I want to go in there and slip in there.
Hey! Wave! It's funny, a lot of people actually took out the time to record today's last Pitchy Richie for the year. Apparently it's the last ride of the year. We're very lucky. Didn't you say it was the last ride of the year? Didn't you say it was the last ride of the year on the Pitchy Richie, wasn't it? For the month? Yeah, the last one, yeah. Till next year.
We've got the Afghan Express on Sunday.
So it goes from, is it Port Augusta?
Port Augusta to Horn and back.
So I'll be able to do a day trip next time.
We're going back to Horn.
So how long does the Afghan go for?
So it's about 3 to 5 hours.
No, as in how long does it run for? Like a couple of months?
Oh yeah, it only runs a few times a year.
Wow.
A few times a year.
That's not bad. Because I might actually plan to go down to Port Augusta one day and actually go there for a night. Go there and come back the next day. Simon, I'm actually planning to go on the Afghan. I'm actually, because it goes from Port Augusta, he said. It goes from Port Augusta. So I'll be able to do there's a budget hotel that's in Port Augusta that's near the bus stop. So I'd be able to do that and then get a taxi to the train bit, sleep the night, and then go back the next day on the bus. Start doing like a little train, but there's one, I don't know what it's called, but there's a train that goes across the Never Never, and it goes for like 3-4 days. It goes for like a couple of days at least. You can sleep on it too.
You're a naughty man.
You're a naughty man.
You go. Good.
If you're gonna dish it out, you're gonna receive it. If you pinch in, who's gonna have to pinch you?
You're not.
That's what I say.
You're not. You're not.
You dish it out, you gotta receive it. That's why I say to little kids, if you annoy people, you're gonna have to expect they're gonna annoy you back.
No, you're not.
Oh!
Okay.